Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are diving into the world of ethical hacking or just want to get a better handle on cybersecurity terminologies, you are in the right place. Today's we are covering 30 crucial terms that every ethical hacker should know. This video will give you a solid foundation, so grab a notebook and let's decode these essential terms together. Ethical hacking. Ethical hackers use their skills to improve security by finding and fixing vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. Penetration testing. Simulated cyber attack against a system to check for vulnerabilities. Penetration tester attempt to break into system to find weaknesses that need to be addressed. Vulnerability. A weakness in a system that can be exploited. Vulnerabilities can be flaw in software, hardware, or even user behavior. Exploit. A tool or technique used to take advantage of a vulnerability. Exploit are the method attacker used to breach systems using identified vulnerabilities. Zero day. A vulnerability that is unknown to the software vendor. Zero-day vulnerabilities are particularly dangerous because there are no patches or fixes available yet. Malware. Malicious software designed to damage or infiltrate systems. Common types of malware include virus, worm, and ransomware. Phishing. A social engineering attack to trick user into revealing sensitive information. Phishing often involves email or messages that appear to be from legitimate source. Brute force attack, a method to guess password by trying all possible combinations. Brute force attacks are time consuming but can be effective against weak passwords. Social engineering, manipulating people into giving up confidential information. Attackers use social engineering to bypass security systems by targeting human behavior. Backdoor, a hidden method to bypass normal authentication in a system. Backdoor can be intentionally placed by developers or created by attackers. Denial of service attack, a attack aimed at making a system or network unavailable. DDoS attack flood the target with traffic, overwhelming it and preventing legitimate access. Botnet, a network of infected computer controlled by an attacker. Botnets can be used to carry out large-scale attack such as DDoS attack. Man-in-the-middle attack, an attack where the attacker intercept communication between two parties. MITM attack allow attacker to eavesdrops, steal data, or inject malicious content. SQL injection, a code injection technique that targets database. Attacker use SQL injection to manipulate database by inserting malicious SQL code. Cross-site scripting, an attack that injects malicious script into web pages. XSS attack allow attacker to execute script in a user browser, potentially stealing information or spreading malware. Firewall, a network security device that monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic. Firewall are the first line of defense, filtering traffic based on security rules. Encryption, the process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption ensures that even if data is intercepted, it cannot be read without the proper key. Patch management, the process of updating software to fix vulnerabilities. Regular patching is crucial to keep systems secure from unknown vulnerabilities. Red Team, a group of ethical hackers tasked with stimulating attacks on a system. Red Team mimic real world attacks to test the effectiveness of a system defenses. Blue Team, The defender who protects system from attack, usually by detecting and responding to threats. Blue team focus on improving security measures and responding to incidents. White hat hacker, an ethical hacker who tests system for security flaws to fix them. White hat hackers work legally and help organizations improve their security. Black hat hacker, a hacker who illegally break into system for malicious purposes. Black hat hacker seek to steal data, disrupt services or cause damage. Grey hat hacker, a hacker who may violate laws or ethical standards but without malicious intent. Grey hat hacker often find and reports vulnerabilities but may do so without permission. Ransomware, malware that locks or encrypts data demanding payment for its release. Ransomware attacks can be devastating, often crippling organizations until they pay the ransom. Rootkit, a collection of software tools used to gain and maintain access to a computer. Rootkits can hide the presence of malicious activities, making them hard to detect. Keylogger, software or hardware that record keystrokes on a keyboard. Keylogger capture everything a user types, including password and other sensitive information. Trojan horse, malware disguised as legitimate software. Trojan tricks user into installing them, allowing attackers to gain control of their system. Advanced Persistent Threat, a prolonged and targeted cyber attack aimed at stealing information. Advanced persistent threats are often state sponsored and involve sophisticated multi stage attack. Security Audit, a systematic evaluation of the security of a system. Audit assess the effectiveness of security measures and identify areas of improvement. Incident response, the process of managing and addressing a security breach or attack. Incident response involves detecting, containing, and recovering from security incidents. And there you have it, 30 key terms that are crucial for anyone interested in ethical hacking. I hope this video helped you feel more prepared and informative as you explore this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and tech tips. Drop any questions or terms you like to learn about in the comment below. Thanks for watching.